Back blast area clear.
Firing, firing, firing.
That's a good hit.
Ready to fire?
Back blast area clear.
Firing, firing, firing. Ready to fire?
Back blast area clear.
Firing, firing, firing.
Loading.
Clear and close.
Firing, firing, firing.
Just high.
Firing, firing, firing.
Like this.
Back blast area clear.
And then turn.
Firing,
It's really
firing, firing.
Alright.
Unload. You fired it? No.
Back blast area clear.
Firing, firing, firing. Wait, that's fine too. Tilt it back.
No. Top it that way.
Up.
There you go.
C grip.
Yep. Clear and close.
Yeah, I saw him before. Clear.
Load.
Loading.
I tell you, man, we was out here with like 6 guns. We had
I keep thinking. Alright, you go, Graham. Back blast area clear.
Firing, firing, firing.
Bangkok on safe.
So on the actual round.
Ready.
Ready?
Ready to fire. Back blast area clear.
Back blast. Well, not really, but back blast area clear.
Firing, firing, firing. Unload. Unloading.
Way short. Better make sure you're looking
Bangkok
for your
safe.
sights right.